Today we are making elegant mini desserts. I love this format because it transforms a simple recipe into a high-end pastry. It bakes only 20 minutes. And I'll show you how to get this professional result using homemade kefir. It makes the texture ultra moist and unique. This recipe was one of bestseller in our bakery. People truly loved it. Today we are using Azores pineapple. On my island, São Miguel, we grow them slowly in historic glass greenhouses. It takes 2 full years to harvest just one fruit. They're small, but the taste is like honey and caramel. I believe in zero waste. I use the skins to brew a healthy drink called tepache. It's very simple. And I turn the core into a sweet syrup. Nothing is wasted in my kitchen. Slice the pineapple into long strips, about 1 cm wide. Caramelize them with sugar and a pinch of salt to unlock the flavor. I'm using the Flambé technique. It looks amazing, but please be very careful. If you are not ready, just evaporate the alcohol. The result will be amazing too. I use 8 cm molds for a clean minimal look. In my home bakery I value minimalism. Smart tools make the process efficient and the result premium. Now, use your molds and a knife to cut perfect circles. This will become the beautiful top of our upside-down dessert. For the final touch, I use dried corn flowers. I harvest and dry these petals in spring from my own organic garden and use it all year. Now the dough. The ingredients are simple, but the result is incredible. I use homemade kefir to add the power of fermentation. It makes the texture soft and moistury. If you want to know more about fermentation, let me know in the comments. I use fermentation every day in my desserts and in my life. If you just sprays, don't panic. Just use an immersion blender for a few seconds to create a smooth emulsion. It works every time and saves your dough. After 20 minutes, look at the result. It's perfect balance, fresh, ultra moist and juicy. High-end pastry made simple. I finish it with a professional glaze for a diamond shine. Want the recipe for this glaze? Tell me in the comments. I've built a way to earn over 3,000 euros by baking just once a week. Want to know how? I'm starting an exclusive space for us soon. I'll have some incredible gifts for my first members, so make sure you are subscribed. I can't wait to show you more. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching and see you soon.